Okay, so we're just gonna start with a little shuffle, side to side. Yeah, ladies, I love it. I can see both of you. All right, so we're just gonna kind of start here, and I want you to just kind of, whatever you gotta do, shake out any negative energy. Get your mind right. We're here the next 45 minutes. All right, a little bigger. Woo. All right, we're just gonna start with some hamstring curls. Here we go. To the right, you go, step, pull, pull. Good. Ramona, are you outside? It's such a nice day, yeah. All right, same thing, we're gonna pull it down, down. All right, grapevine, here we go. Take it right. Pull it back. Pull it back, yeah. All right, give me 4 more, right before. Woo. All right, we're gonna go into a pull, drive. So it goes pull, drive, pull, drive. You can start little, and then you can go bigger. Good, 4 more here. 4, 3, 2, a little booty. The whole sequence goes 1, 2, 3, 4, step, knee, step, knee. 1, 2, 3, clap it. Hit, hit. So it's like a little prep. There it is. Again. Hit. 1 more. All right, now just stay here, stay here. Hit, hit, keep it going. Maybe make it bigger. Ow! 1 more round from the top, hand curl. Pull it up. There it is. Woo. Pull it down right here. Boom, boom. And 4. You know it, grapevine. Hit. Alright, 4 more right here. 4, 3, 2, full drive. Can we get a little lower? Shake your booty. 1, 2, clap, step, knee. You got it. Give me 2 more right here. Woo! Last one. Single knee stay. Hup, hup, hup. Good. All right, shuffle. Pick it up. Take it down. Ow! Good, I'm gonna go a little closer to you guys. Pick it up. All right, ladies. Breathe. Arms out, step touch. Step touch. Yeah, before your toe. Plan on the shoulder. Flex today. Good, now get lower, down, press, press. Good, we're gonna add a reach. Think arm to your ear, press, press. There it is. 4, 3, 2, both up, down. Woo. Give me 4 more, 4. Hold it down, pull. Nice. Bring the arms in, first position, hold. Knees go back, back, back. So you're squeezing your glutes, yep. Good, arms up, high fists, lift the heels. Up, up. Yeah, and 4. Good, all right, taking it down, hands in front, we're gonna grab, pull, so it goes. Knee, knee, 1, 2, 3, 4, hit, hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, hit, hit. Good, a little bit lower each time. Boom, boom, a little bit lower. You got 3 more. Boom, boom. Woo. Ha, ha. Last one, stay with it. All right, very good. Turning. I know we're not done yet. Down, front knee over that ankle. Good, reach the arms up. 4 more here. And 4, 3, 2. We're gonna push off all the way over. Oh yeah. All right. Kind of move your hips around, loosen them up. All right, flex that right foot, pull it back, bend the left knee. Keep breathing. All right, push it back down, toes come towards me, towards the mirror. Plie, and pull it in. Again, plie. Nice, pull it in. Nice, 2 more. All right, last one, we're gonna come on up, roll it up. Good, all right, turn it out, same thing, other side, let's go. We pull it down, reach it out. Good, you have 4, 3, 2, 1. Push all the way over. Oh, yes. Kind of move the hips around. Good, flex that left foot, bend the right, sit back into that hip. Digging this mix. All right, back to center, toes forward. All right, pull it into your legs one more time. All right, from here, hands come down, squat. We're gonna go ahead and step both legs back into a plank. Yeah, can you guys see me? Perfect. All right, right leg comes forward. Right leg goes back. Other side, left leg comes forward. And left leg goes back. All right, we're gonna do that to tempo. Right leg first. Are you ready? Here we go. We take it right, take it left, take it back. Again. Good, core tight. You got 4 more. 4, 3, 2. All right, stay here, tap it out. Right, left, we take it right, take it left. Hey, out, in. All right, we're almost done with that warm-up. Stay with it. In 4, 3, we're gonna take the leg up, take it down. Right leg up, down. Baby, baby. Keep that core connected, keep the rib cage closed. Squeeze the booty. Up, up. 2 more. All right, last thing, across the center. So right elbow, left elbow, sorry, right knee, left elbow, and then you switch. Yeah, speed it up. Here we go. Switch it, switch it. 4 more here, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, walk back up into a squat. Good, roll it up, take it out. Woo, roll it back. All right, let's do some isolation. And then we're done with our warm-up. Roll it forward. All right, rib cage, hip stable, kick it out. 4, front back, right here, open, close. Baby, baby, baby. 4. All right, just the hips, ladies. Woo. Cooking, cooking. Good. Knees forward, 1, 2 to the right. Little pull through 4. Stretch it out. Yep, other side. Beautiful. All right, back to center, roll it up. Take it out. All right, that's our warm-up. First 8 count. Triplet. So a triplet is just 3 steps. So on the right, it goes 1, 2, 3. Sorry, you're taking it forward. So back it up if you need to. Right goes 1, 2, 3, then left. 1, 2, 3. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Yeah? Arms reach up, very dramatic. On the right, so it goes 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? You're going to do a little front, back, back, front. Yeah, can you see? Yeah. Okay, one more slow. Hands come up, hands come down. Yeah? 7 and 8. It goes 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now the right just goes front and back step. Yeah? Let's try to tempo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Front and back step. So you end with that left foot in front. Yep. 2 more. Here we go. Triplet right, triplet left, little cha-cha. Ha, yes. 1 more. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Cha-cha step. Let me finish it out. We're prepping for a pivot turn. Right. Step right again. Back to center. Beautiful. 2 jacks. Out. Out. Yeah, is it 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Let's throw it up though. Yeah, there it is. All right, pivot on the right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. Right. Do it again. Do it again. Pivot. 1 more. Let me watch. Pivot. Sorry. You got it. You got it. All right, let's put that all together from the top. 3 rounds after the jack. Start from the triplet. Yep. Woo. Here we go. 5, 6, 3. This is a little tease. Now we pivot. Pick it up. 2 more. Triplet. Step, step. Now turn. 1 more step. Let's go. 1 and 2. Pivot. Pick it up. Shuffle. Ow! All right, we're moving on. We just went out, out. You're going to step with your right. 1, 2, and 3. Right, left. Right, left. Yeah, hands come up on the right. Boom, 5. Yeah, 5. Yep. So step right foot, then left foot. Go down on the right. So you got to change your weight. Right, left. Yeah. 1, 2. This is and 3. Sit 4. Good again. We're here, we shimmy. 1, 2, and 3. Sit 4. That and 3 comes like wicked fast. Yeah? Yeah. So 5, 6. We just went out and out. Shimmy. 1, down, 2. Right, left. And 3. Sit 4. Let me finish it out. You're just doing a 3-step turn. 5, 6, 7. Now you're going to sit right. Yeah? Cool. All right, let's go slow again. 5, 6. Here we go. Shimmy down. It goes 1, 2. Right, left. Sit. Turn. And then big sit here. All right, let's try it. Yeah? Right, left. This happens really fast. 5, 6, 5, 6. Shimmy down. Here we go. Shimmy down. And step and sit. Woo! Yeah, so no time to think. You're here. Boom, boom. Yeah, just like think right leg is moving the left leg out of the way. 5, 6. Yes. 5, 6. Here we go. Shimmy down and move and go. Yes. Good. Let's go 2 more. 5, 6. Here we go. Woo! Hit. 5, 6, 5, 6. Here we go, ladies. You got it. 5, 6. From the top. Triplet forward. Here it is. Pivot. Throw it up. New part. Shimmy. Woo! Ha! Yes. 5, 6. 5, 6. Then pivot. I know, it's tricky. Shimmy. It's like a teaser. That first one's like a little teaser. Here we go. 5, 6. Teaser. Now pivot. Go. Pick it up. Shimmy drop. One more. Woo! 6, 7, and tease it. Turn it. Go. Shimmy. And all right, let's move on. We're here. So weight is in the right. You are going step, together, step, and step. It's like a little salsa hip. So we're here. 7, 8. Hands can come here. 3 and 4. Let's bring it up. Yeah, so hit, and you're just slowly bringing it up. From here, 5. You bring it back, 6. Take it down low, 7. Center it 8. Yeah? All right, so we're back here. We just stand to our right. So it goes 1, 2, fast, 3 and 4. Down, back, swoop it, lock it. Here, hands are back, forward. They just come down. Yeah, one more nice and slow. We're here on 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Tap it, bring it down, walk. All right, let's try tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 1, 2, ha, front, back, whoa, woo, it's the ass. All right, here we go, 2 more. 5, 6, we just turn, 5, 6, sit, we go. Cha, fast, right leg goes. Tap it, swoop it, ha. So the tap, ha. In my brain, I feel like I want to step, don't step. It's just little tap, then put your weight down. Yeah, versus coming here, tap it. One more time, and I'm going to try and watch you ladies. Here we go. 5, 6, tempo, 5, 6, here it is. It's slow, now fast, tap it. Front, back, hop. Yes, one more. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, we go. Slow. Quick and front and back and hop. From the top. 3 rounds through, can we start from the top here? Yes, we can. So 3 back to back around, hit. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, here we go. Find the top. Catch your breath. 5, 6, let's go. 1 and 2. Trick. Or teaser. Now turn. Shimmy. Wow. New part. Little salsa. It goes tap it from the top. Oh my gosh. I know, right? Make sure we're breathing. Shimmy drop. Woo! it down. Let's go. Play hard, work hard, play hard. Take a breath, pull. All right, moving on. We just stuck it, yes? Boom. Yeah, grab water heat. You want to break this one down. 7, 8. From here, you're going to go push back. So you're pushing on your right. 1 step, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, they're like little walks. Here, here, ba, ba, ba. It's 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. You can give me some hair if you want, yeah? 7, stick it, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, yeah? It gets fast. Ba, ba, boom, boom, boom. Yeah? So that was only 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're gonna take this arm spin around. 5, hit 6. And then you're just gonna step back. 7, 8. Right leg is tap versus down. Yeah? Super sassy there. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, quick. Step over. Mwah. Step, tap it, hop it here. Yeah? Again. 7, slow. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step over. Hey. And you can even like keep your head there and then bring it back if you want to get a little sassy. Okay, let's try this fast. We just came around. 5, 6, ready? 5, 6, 7, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's step and boom. Yes, got it right. Good. 6, 7, and corner, tight. I love that move. Good, good. One more. Let me watch this. Here we go. We just went 5, 6, 7, and push, 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 up and ma. I love it. Okay, let's go one more round. From here, boom, tap it, start from the top. Yeah, 3 rounds. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, find your shuffle. Here we go, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and. Wait. Sorry. It's on a weird count. 6, 7, here we go. 1 and 2, there it is. Caesar, now pivot turn, go. Throw it up. Skinny down. Cha-cha, slow. Take it front, back, new 8 count. Push, 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 push. It's up, it's from the top. Ah! Pivot turn. Up, up, shimmy down. Hit, sit, cha-cha, boom. Take it front, new 8 count goes. Push, 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 push. One more round, let's go, ladies. Woo! Oh, are we breathing? Ha. Get it. Ha. Take it down, slow. Hit, push, back. Grab some water. Wow. Let's do it again, yeah? Woo! All right, find your shuffle. Take it out. On the dance floor. Shake it out, shake it out. On the dance floor. All right, ladies. Here it is. 5. Let's go.